Hi guys, welcome back. I am so excited for today's video. You guys left such incredible feedback on my last ponytail video that I could not wait to share another one. So these ponytails are textured and voluminous, and you guys already know my go-to product for volume is the Bumble & Bumble Dry Spun Texture Spray. So I'm so excited to say that today's video was sponsored by Bumble & Bumble. They've just launched some new volumizing products that I wanted to try and share with you guys. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, guys, it's no secret that I love big, voluminous, effortless hair. I feel like I say that in every single hair tutorial. But the thing is, my hair is very long, so it's heavy. I don't have any layers, so my hair falls flat. I swear, you always want what you don't have. So that is why I always reach for the Bumble & Bumble Dry Spun Texture Spray. I just find that this product gives my hair that natural lift that I'm looking for without leaving behind like a sticky residue or anything. You can still run your fingers through your hair, you can fluff it up throughout the day, and it leaves your hair smelling so amazing, you guys. But I have some really great news. Bumble & Bumble updated their thickening collection, so there's even more products now. So first up is the new Go Big treatment. So this helps to add extra volume and lift to your hair. So you just want to shake it up and spray it throughout your damp hair, and it says it expands each strand, so I really wanted to focus it on my roots. So what I did is I just lifted my hair and sprayed it mostly around the crown of my head. Next up, we have the Bumble & Bumble Great Body Blow Dry Cream. So this adds volume as well as moisture to your hair, which is really nice. We all love soft hair. So I just worked this evenly into my damp hair, and then any excess that was left on my hands I placed onto my roots, and this also doubles as a heat protectant. It's pretty awesome. And then I just roughly blow dried my hair, and as I was blow drying my hair, I could feel that there was product in my hair, but not in like a sticky residue kind of way, almost like it just made my hair feel very like fluffy and thick. It was really neat. And then I went ahead and added some curls to my hair. And now to finish off the look, my favorite and a fan favorite, I'm going to use the Dry Spun Texture Spray. And then I like to rough it up, really work that product in, get my hair nice and voluminous. But would you look at this, you guys? I love it. I will link all of these products down below, but you can also visit bumbleandbumble.com to get your hands on them. But now that my hair is prepped and looking effortless and voluminous, let's go ahead and make some ponytails. All right, first up is a twisted and textured ponytail. So part your hair is normal, and then you just want to place your finger at the back of your part and begin tracing down behind your ear to your neck, and then you just want to place that section out of the way. And then you want to repeat the same step on the other side. Next, gather all of the hair in the back into a low ponytail, and I secured mine using a hair bungee, which is just 2 bobby pins and a hair elastic. I just find that this helps to maintain the volume. Then, of course, to add even more lift, just pull in small sections of hair around the crown. Now, grab the right section from earlier and just divide it into 2 pieces. Then, you want to take the top piece and just begin loosely twisting it away from your face, so counterclockwise. Then begin pulling on the twist to fan it out to help make it appear larger and textured. And I like to pull more towards the root to create a swoop, and then I like to keep it tighter near the middle. Once you're happy with it, pull it across the back and just bobby pin it into place next to your ponytail. So once you've repeated the same thing on the left side, then take the rest of your hair on the right side, including the ends from the left twist, and again, just twist it away from your face. And don't forget to pull in the twist to give it some more texture. So once you're happy with it, bring it across the back and just bobby pin it beside your ponytail. Now repeat one last time on the left side, gathering all those remaining ends and then pulling apart the twist and bobby pinning it into place. Also, feel free to tease the top of your ponytail, and then that's it. You guys, I cannot get over this ponytail. It's just so textured and effortless. I love it. Next up, I really love this one too. It's a voluminous knotted ponytail. To begin, gather all of the hair at the crown of your head and then give it a little bit of a twist and push it upwards, and this is going to create some really nice volume. And then just secure it into place with some bobby pins. Next, gather all of the hair above your temples on both sides of your head, making sure that they are completely sectioned off. Then cross your right section over your left section and then bring that left section up and through that hole that we just created. And all we're doing here is tying our two sections into a knot. Once through, pull it nice and tight and then gather all of the hair above your ears on both sides of your head, and you just want to join it into those sections. And then you want to repeat what we did before. So cross your right section over the left and then bring that left section up and pull it through nice and tight. And then one more time, gathering all of the hair above the nape of your neck on both sides, join it into those sections and tie them into a knot. You can make as many knots as you like, but once you're done, you just want to gather all of your hair together and secure it into a low ponytail. And then I think it's really pretty to pull on the sides of your knots. It just helps them appear larger and it helps them to stand out. And then add some bobby pins underneath your knots just to secure them into place. And then a really easy way to make a ponytail look more put together is by grabbing a small piece of hair from the underside of your ponytail and wrapping it around your hair elastic to hide it, and then just bobby pin your ends to the underside of your ponytail. And that's it. Who would have thought that tying knots in your hair could look so good? Next up is a very simple ponytail with a flip. First step, just gather all the hair that's above your ears on both sides of your head. Once you have your two sides, just secure them into a ponytail wherever you want your ponytail to sit. I chose a low ponytail. Next, create a topsy tail by flipping your hair up and pulling it through the hole we created by joining our two sections together. And then to really make this hairstyle pop, just begin pulling on your twists. I like to pull on the bottom to create that pretty swoop over the ear, and then the top just to help add some more detail. All right, once you're happy with your twists, gather all of your hair into a ponytail, and then just finish off the look by wrapping a small piece of hair around your elastic to hide it. And if you want more volume and texture, again, just pull on small sections of hair around your crown. And then that's it. I love how a simple topsy tail can look so beautiful. So there we have it, you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment. I would love to know which ponytail was your favorite and why. But I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will link all of the products I used today down in the description box. But thank you again so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. It means so much to me, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.